Stupid Dog Sausage Challenge.
The rules of Stupid Dog Challenge very simple. We take one hungry stupid dog with big plastic collar. In front of him is special banzai device with 4 different shaped windows on front. Behind the device is tasty plate of sausages. Unfortunately for Stupid Dog, his plastic collar means only round window will allow access to sausage reward. Other 3 will cause hilarious rejection.
But how long do you think it will take Stupid Dog to work out this sneaky sausage puzzle? Will it be A, less than 20 seconds, B, 20 to 40 seconds, C, 40 to 60 seconds? Place your bet now! Come on, come on! Bet, bet, bet! Oh, that's it! Betting over!
Okay, time for challenge to begin.
Here he goes. Oh no! You stupid dog! But the stupid doesn't work. What you doing? What a stupid dog! Impossible!
Sausages will never be yours at this rate.
Oh no! What's he doing? Where's he going? Oh, he's going around back to have a look. Come on, come back. Ah, here come. Gently, gently. Oh, it's very good. It's very good. It is good enough. Come on, you stupid dog. Closer, 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 closer. Yeah! He done it!
If you said C, 40 to 60 seconds.
You are a winner! What a stupid...